Hello and welcome to this How to Pilot 1. In this video I'll show you how to change the Nadir logo before and after the shooting. On your Pilot 1, go in Settings and Bottom Logo. It is called Bottom Logo and not Nadir logo because it's applied to the photo respect the bottom of the camera. So if you turn your Pilot 1 upside down, the logo will be applied at the zenith of the photo and not in the Nadir. In bottom logo settings, it is possible to disable the logo, decide its size and which logo apply to the footage. By default, there is Labpano logo, but you can create your own logo and use it in your footage. It has to be in PNG with the dimensions of 512 by 512 pixels with the weight of maximum 1 MB. Connect your Pilot 1 to a computer, go in Internal Storage and Watermarks and insert your logo there. You will suddenly see the logo on your camera and you will be able to select it and it will be used in all the next photos and videos. If you want to change the logo after the shooting, there is a difference between photos and videos. For both, you will need to keep the unstitched files in your camera. When you shoot with your Pilot 1, the camera saves unstitched photos and videos in internal folders. Unstitched files are taken without the logo, which is applied after the stitching. To change the logo on photos, go in Settings, Bottom Logo and select the logo you need and its dimensions. Then go in Gallery, select the photo in which you want to change the logo and change the stitching flow, from real time to optical flow or vice versa. What happens when you change the stitching flow? The camera will restitch the unstitched file and will apply the new logo. Then, if you need it, you can change the stitching flow again without changing the logo. Regarding videos, it is possible to change the logo only if you recorded using the unstitched mode. In this case, if you want to change the logo, connect your Pilot 1 to a computer and go in Internal Storage, DCIM, Videos, Stitched, and delete the stitched video in which you want to change the logo and keep, of course, the unstitched one. Then go in Bottom Logo settings on the camera, choose your new logo and stitch the video again in the gallery. Remember, if you will delete the video directly from the gallery of the camera, also the unstitched file will be deleted. I suggest you to always make a backup of the whole photos and videos folders, including stitched and unstitched files.